Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how you can help with the current situation. And one of the main things you could do is to stay at home if you don't have to go outside, if you don't have to go to work. And even if you have to go to work, try to not go somewhere else if you don't have to. So just use your common sense. Just avoid contact with other people as much as you can. And if you can stay at home all the time. Just go for a quick walk or a small run exercise if you want to do, but try to stay at home as much as possible. While you're staying at home, you could watch videos on YouTube to learn how to do some things like tie a knot. I was thinking to make a video about how to tie a knot, but there are so many, you find just a lot of them. So you can learn a lot of things, how to do something, even how to play some instrument, which I can't show you that because I don't play instruments. And yeah, you can learn languages, foreign languages. So I'm gonna hashtag this video, stay home with me. If you want to watch some of our videos, you can find the playlists. Also, if you want to cook, to learn how to cook, we have the Red Number 1 website where you can learn how to cook. There are some really tasty recipes in there. While I'm saying that, my mouth is watering. That's strange. No, it's not strange at all. So yeah, find that website there. And also there are playlists on this channel. You can find different things, how to fix computers or how to troubleshoot some problems, fix things around your house, a lot of things. And also there is a series of new videos now with just landscapes and places where it's pretty quiet. But you could play them on your TV and just have them as a background while you browse the internet. That's pretty nice, I believe. If you watch some movies on your computer or you use your computer to listen to music, if you for any reason you keep your computer on most of the day, not even, maybe even few hours per day, there is this program, Folding at Home. What they're doing is doing distributed computing, and every time you use their program, you're adding a bit of more processing power to their system. So their system, from what I understand, it's trying to figure out how molecular stuff is working. I don't know exactly how to explain this. You can go to their website and find out more. The idea is that they're trying to analyze different viruses, diseases. I don't know exactly how many things they would analyze, but now they're focusing on the new one, this new virus. So you might yeah, a lot of things they focus on, not only on this one. So what this could be used for is to understand more about this virus and to create new medicine even. I read about it. It's legitimate. They're really doing what they're saying to do, and actually people use them. The smart people who make medicine and all this, they use them to make something like a simulation. So you have a simulation of how something would behave, and this will actually make like a proof of concept, let's say. You see those little bubbles there? Those are, I think, molecules. I'm not very good at this, so what I can help with this is to explain to you how to run their program so you can help them, give them a bit of processing power. That means that you will give some of your CPU, the processor power, to this program. So if there is anything in the queue, a few days ago I was reading that they didn't have anything left in the queue because there were so many people who joined it. but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't run it. You should run it because when they have something, it's better to finish it as soon as possible so they can get the results and use them. So I'm going to try to use this and install it and show you how to do it. So let's start folding now from their homepage. Okay, so yeah, now they have some pretty interesting animations in here and details about what they do. And yeah, a lot of people actually, there are even YouTube videos promoting them. Okay, so yeah, that was the button. I missed it. You see that it looked too much like one of those graphics that don't mean much, but download now. I'm gonna press it. So it runs on Windows. Yeah, you can also have a VMware that is ready-made to go. So ready VMware appliance. I will show you the easy way, just a normal installation for Windows 32 and 64-bit, so any version of Windows. Okay, it has downloaded, so let's run it. So you press next. You read the terms and conditions if you feel like it, and you have express installation or custom installation. And it's much easier, express, and it starts. FAH control, I believe it means folding at home control. Distributed computing, you see in the logo there. It's an interesting thing to try. So now it will start it. This icon here is the way to start it manually. Okay, so it will ask me. I started it before, so it's running locally now. You can run as anonymous or as a user. So the way to create the passkey, you create the passkey. So I enter the name, the team number, and if you don't have a passkey, you have to click here. It opens here, and you enter the username and email. It will send you the passkey by email, and then you enter it, and then you enter it in that box there. So now it shows that you're folding as your own username, and it's see my yeah, you can even use my GPU. That's pretty nice. This will use a bit of power, more power than you would normally use on your computer, but you can choose here, make it full, and you can also choose to do this only when the computer is idle. So this is pretty smart. It gives you a lot of options to control it, so it doesn't affect your work. I mean, when you're on the computer, you don't want it to do it, so you press only when it's idle. So that means it's only going to fold process. Basically what it's doing is solving math equations. Basically that's all what it's doing, using the processor and the GPU to solve problems. And I think medium is pretty good. And there is this client. They have a web control, and there's even a local program configuration. So it saves the details that I entered on the website to the local program. Yeah, there are a lot of options here. This looks a bit like Linux actually, so that's interesting. This small icon here by the taskbar, you have the menu. You can choose from here on idle, full, medium light. So let me know if you try this, and if you have any problems using it, write a comment below and maybe we can try to figure it out how to make it work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stay at home with me. Yeah, this is the thing. Watch some YouTube videos about how to do things, how to tie a knot, how to make some cooking. Recipes are nice to know. Make sure you wash your hands with soap or disinfectant, and your belongings, your phone, your wallet, keys. In the car, it's good to have disinfectant in the car. Before you get in the car, disinfect your hands. Put some of disinfectant on the steering wheel, on the gear shift, and yeah, it's try to stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.